I made it down to the first platform, to the dock, and there is the trolley here. I did talk to the seller's agent, found out it is down here. The owner says that it's fine, however, it looks, should be checked out really before anyone uses it. He does use it. Says both of the boat hoist as well as the jet ski hoist work. They're not new or anything, but there's nothing wrong with them. They work perfectly fine. This is your lake view from the deck. And that trolley looks like it'll easily hold 2 people for sure. But again, that should be professionally inspected before at least once a year. So it's due to be inspected again. Okay. And this is looking up at the house from down here underneath the deck. Okay, signing off.